How to fix Viber not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Viber not working on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll all the way down until you find s- until you find your apps, and then click apps again, and here just scroll all the way down and here we'll find Viber. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, all of those, allow all of those. Just click on it if you want to allow it and click allow, and then allow microphone, click allow, and then just this one, enable draw over other apps and disable right system settings, and that's it. Now and try again and your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.